video, I'm going to teach you how to make a song with AI or Donna AI. To do that, first install Donna AI Song in Music Maker, and once you have installed it, click on Open right here. You will be redirected to the home page wherein you just need to input right here the description of the song and it will generate a content based on that. For example, let's input right here this song and choose right here the moods for that. It can be happy, motivational, melancholic, and a lot more. I'll choose right here uplifting and you can also change or select the genre for this. So in my case, I'll choose pop. You can also input right here the advanced option like the song name, vocals, as well as vocal gender. You can choose recording or live concert. I'll choose studio and from there click on this create with description. So just wait for this to load and in here, this will actually create a song for you. It may take some minutes, but once it's done, you will have a song created with AI. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.